The foundation of the Premium WebCart CRM is that everything revolves around a funnel, because a funnel is the object that you're trying to sell or the goal that you're trying to achieve. So logically, everything revolves around accomplishing this objective. Now, when you first log into your account, you'll notice that you already have a demo funnel. So let's go down and rename this funnel and call it something that's more useful and specific to your purpose. So come down to Funnels and Tags. We'll click on Manage Funnels, and then we'll edit this funnel. And now the first thing I'll do is rename it, and I'm going to call it my fictitious product of Super Widget. I can also assign a value to this funnel. This will come into play later into the report section, so you can see what the value of this specific funnel is to your business. So I'm going to put a value on this at $250. And keep in mind that the value of the funnel is not necessarily tied to the value of the product that you're selling. This might seem a little strange at first, but as we go through the videos, you'll come to understand why this makes sense. Now the next thing I'll do is change my description. And if I choose, I can make this my default funnel. In other words, when somebody is added to my CRM, by default, they'll be added to this specific funnel. Having a default funnel is optional. And now you see that I have my funnel all set up. Now the next thing I'll do is add a funnel, because you can have unlimited numbers of funnels to correspond to your products or the objectives that you're trying to achieve within your business. All you have to do is click on the icon, and now we'll name our funnel. And again, I'm going to put in a dollar value and a description. And now you'll see at the top of the page that we have two tabs, each one relating to the funnel inside of our system. And now the last thing I want to show you is that you can reorder the position of these tabs at the top of the page. Simply click on the reorder icon. Now click and drag, save the order, and now you'll see that the order of the tabs has shifted, corresponding with the order of how you've arranged it on the page. Now there is one thing that you must take note of. It's that the funnel that is currently active is always going to be on the far left. So even if we rearrange the sort order down here, this active funnel will always be in this position. Now watch what happens when I click on Service Pack. You'll see that this moved over to the far left, as this makes it easier and more convenient for you to keep track of the funnel that you're currently working on when you have more than 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 funnels active in your system. In the next video, I'll teach you how to associate one or more sales paths with each of your funnels. This is where you start to create the automation within your CRM system.